Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change display language in Windows 11 operating system. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to proceed to the search bar, at the bottom search bar, and here, please tap for settings. Once you have typed that, please proceed with the best matched and go with open to continue. You can also use the keys which are by pressing Windows and I key together. There you would be able to open the settings itself. For here, you need to proceed with the left side of the screen and look for time and language. Click on it and the time and language. You need to proceed on language and region. Place at the second option, tap on it. And afterwards, you need to look for preferred languages where you can have Microsoft Store Up will appear in the first supported language in this list. So click on this add a language to add a new language or the language that you would understand or prefer. So here you can select the language that you would understand too. You can go with Chinese, English, depending on the region. You can go with Filipino if you live in Philippines. You can go with Italian, any language that you have or that you understand would be here. Okay? So all you need to do is you need to select the language that you want to set as your display language. And let's say, for example, if you want to set the English language as your display language. Okay? So here it will show you different results of English depending on the country or, yes, country or place that is being present. Okay? So all you need to do is you need to select on it. If you are in Sterling English, then go with the first. If you are in Canada, go with the third, and just have to select the language that you would understand too. I would recommend you to go with the first language that you since that is the first language that you have understand, or you can go also with the English since it is the universal language and most of us would be able to understand. So let's say, for example, if you are a Chinese and if you want to set a Chinese language as your display language, here, the moment you have searched it, you would be able to see a list of results where you can choose to. So if you are a Korean and if you want to set the Hangul language or the Korean language as your display language here in Windows, there you can select it and install it in your Windows as your display language. Okay, so I would recommend you also again to choose English since it is a universal language and most of us would be able to understand such, and by that you won't face any difficulty on using your Windows since you set the language that you would understand with. Okay? So I would go with English Philippines. Okay, so the moment you have selected the language that you want to set as the display language in your Windows 11 operating system, please click on Next. And if you want to set it as the display language, which is the main goal of this video, you need to check the box which is set as my Windows display language. Go with Install and wait until it will be installed here in our Windows. Okay, so this might take some time. Make sure you are connected to a strong internet connection. Okay, and wait until the language pack will be downloaded. And this includes all of the features that is under of this language pack. Okay, so that's it. Here you go. All you need to do is you need to wait until it will be done, and that's it. Simply restart your computer, and the moment you have restarted it, you would be able to see the display language as your language or as the with the language that you have installed here in your Windows. Okay, so those are the steps on how to change the display language in your Windows 11 operating system. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.